just arrived at the port of Costa Maya, and because our excursion was canceled yesterday, we're gonna go and check out some ruins. Hopefully this time we can actually do it.
Yeah.
Come with us as we go back in time.
So they've canceled the excursion again. I guess we're not even going to shore.
No, they got us up early. They got us up early because we booked an early excursion. They were like, get ready to be outside by 6:30. So we were up, we were ready to go. But then we went out to get off the boat, and there was just water all around us.
Yeah, it was really confusing.
No land.
Yeah, no, so we're like not even like close to land. I guess they tried to get close to land earlier today, and it was really choppy. You were saying that like early in the morning it was really, really windy.
The boat was like going.
What are we gonna do? Like, what are we gonna do? I think I'm gonna have a cookie and maybe go back to bed. My hope, my dream, my wish is that they could transfer that money towards the spa. And honestly, give us like a 3-day spa access.
So I'm missing Costa Maya. It's not that bad. We were both extremely tired, so we came back to the room. Now that we know it's not happening and slept, I feel a lot better. I'm gonna walk around for a bit here and might check out the thermal spa. You know, we had paid for some excursion, we keep getting canceled. Might as well do something. And the thermal spa here looks really nice and relaxing. I know Jennifer really wants to do it, so I'm gonna go wake her up and get going.
So we just woke up from our respective naps.
Our siesta.
Our little siesta. I don't know, I think I'm feeling a little peckish, so I think we should get something to eat. Where should we go?
So we can go back to our stomping grounds at the Dutch Cafe. Mm-hmm. Or we can grab a bite at like the dive-in.
Yeah, let's go to maybe the Dutch place.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah. Alright. We'll see you guys down there.
Let's go transition. Yeah, you can tell by the wind why we weren't able to dock in Costa Maya. Parts of the boat up in the crow's nest. They have some binoculars for you to look out at sea. Right now there's nothing to see except water. Just came back from the crow's nest. We've booked another excursion. Our first 2 ones have been canceled, but hopefully third time's the charm.
Today's been okay. You know, we spent some time by the bingo. We didn't play bingo, but we were next to it.
So we basically won. I don't hate that we didn't go out today. Like, there's been a lot of time changes. When we went to Belize, we ended up going back 2 hours. Now we're back up 1 hour, so it's been kind of like messing with our sleep cycle.
Yeah.
So today, it worked out that it's kind of a more chill day. I don't know if I would have fully enjoyed the ruin experience because I was just so tired.
We were so tired, so we're kind of loving the fact that we got to sleep in a little bit. Right now it's a little bit of quiet time.
But we're gonna pick it up a little later on because we're gonna do some more trivia, line dancing.
Ooh, we tried line dancing. I'm so excited.
And food.
And more food.
Let's start with that.
Yeah, let's go.
The Lido Market Buffet is definitely busy on its sea days, so maybe go to the dining room for lunch or even the Dutch Cafe.
Right in front of it. Let's dive in.
Have to go back for more sushi.
4 steps together. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And clap. Open and clap. Open and clap. Open and clap. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Good, guys. Thank you very much.
That was a workout. your workout.
Oh,
I like you
did really good.
Hey, you did too.
I know.
Look at I'm sweating in this.
All right.
Hello, good evening.
Oh, there it is. I just got a great shot. After our second nap of the day, we're now getting set for some supper. We have a mentalist on board tonight. Is that a magician?
Maybe, I think so.
Yeah. So we're gonna see some magic, play with our minds. Do you want to volunteer
No.
tonight? No. Should I volunteer?
If you want to, you can.
I think I would want to, because I want to see if it's real, like the hypnosis thing. I don't know if it does hypnosis. Anyways, we're gonna eat some food, then we're gonna get our minds played with. Packed house here. Last night we came to the comedian show like 5 minutes before we're supposed to start, and there wasn't a seat to be had in the house, so we had to come back later. Tonight we showed up, 45 minutes early, and it paid off. We got a good seat, and now we gotta have our minds attacked.
For the first time ever, would you tell us in a loud voice what is the one word you were thinking about? Loudspeaker.
They do a really good job of cleaning these rooms. Like every time we come back, they're almost pristine quality.
The room is perfect.
Our room servants are Wee and Juan, and they're phenomenal. So if you get lucky enough to have Wee and Juan on your cruise here on the Rotterdam, you're in for a treat.
They're awesome.
I gotta go pick up the ship from
We're watching movies by the pool with Jason Statham's The Beekeeper.
That was a really bad Jason Statham accent. Sorry.
We got our snackies. Most importantly, the pizza. Okay, put it down.
Let's get our mayo.
Perfect.
French fries.
Enjoy the rest of the movie.
Just finished the movie at the pool. Jason Statham's The Beekeeper. It was like a perfect pool movie because you didn't really have to like pay attention to the story or the plot because there wasn't really much of it. It was just Jason Statham was mad and he wanted to do something, so he did it, and nobody could get in his way. Good wrap up, and that's how I kind of feel about tomorrow, going on an excursion. Nobody can get in my way after having 2 days back to back with canceled excursions. We are going to go on this excursion unless it gets canceled again. Then we won't, and we'll find another way to still have fun. It was a good day. It was more of a low-key, relaxing day, but looking forward to Cozumel tomorrow and actually getting off the ship and onto dry land. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.